Welcome my viewers. We're going to solve a calculus question on 2016. This is the calculus question we are solving. So we'll start. Find an expression of dy dx of the equation y is equals to that one. Now when you look at this, when you're doing dx, dy dx in calculus, remember this is additional mathematics. So we are only differentiating the one that has x. So we're going to use the chain rule. We're using the chain rule to solve this dy dx. We're using the chain rule to solve the dy dx. And the chain rule states that, this. Differentiate of the outside equation times differentiation of the inside equation. So we're going to start. The outside equation is this equation. So we're starting with the outside. Dy over dx is equals to, our outside equation will be 4 times 1, 4 times 1, because the coefficient there is 1, 2a squared plus bx 4 minus 1. Then we're going to get 4, then 2a squared plus bx to the power 3. This is our outside equation. Then now the second equation is for the inside. So this is our outside. Then we want to find for the inside. Now when you are differentiating for the inside, we are only differentiating the one that has x. We can't differentiate here because this one has only a. So we are going to write 2a squared plus bx. So we are differentiating only bx. So when we do dy dx now here to be, when we do dy dx, it will be 1 times 1 bx 1 minus 1. What are we going to get? Bx to the power 0. And then we all know that anything to the power 0 is 1, so we're going to get the b. Then the final answer now we're going to say, since I've said dy dx using chain rule is outside equation times inside equation, so we're going to now find the final answer. Dy over dx is equals to, our outside equation, remember, is this 4 2a squared plus bx to the power 3 times b, which our final answer will be 4b 2a squared plus bx cubed. This is our final answer. We go to the second question. They are saying two variables x and y are related by the equation. Obtain an expression for dy. Find the approximate change in y as x increases from 4 to 4.02. So the first thing is dy dx. Even this one we're using the chain rule to find for the dy dx. So we're going to start dy over dx is equals to outside equation, which is 3, then x over 2 minus 4, then we all know that it will be 3 minus 1, which is a 2. Then we go to the inside, so we go to the inside equation. So this is our outside. Then inside equation, it will be dy over dx, which is 1 times 1 x 1 minus 1 over 2 then minus 0. We all know that in differentiation the constant becomes 0, then x to the power 0 over 2 minus 0, which the final answer will be 1 over 2. And then we now multiply the outside and the inside. So therefore we are going to have dy over dx, which is equals to 3x over 2 minus 4 to the power 2 times 1 over 2. Then when we do the mathematics, it will be 3 times, it will give us 3 over 2, and then x over 2 minus 4 squared minus 4 open bracket, close bracket squared. This is for the dy dx. This is for the dy dx. Now the second question is find the approximate change in y as x increases from 4 to so here what we're going to do is that our x1 we're given as 4, then our x2 we're given as 4.02. so for us to find first for the dy, because the formula for finding the approximate change, it is dy over dx is equals to change in y over change in x. Now for the change in y, for the dy dx, we're going to the place where there is x here, we'll put 4. So for the dy over dx, for us to find a dy dx, it will be 3 over 2. Then where there's x, we're putting 4, the x1, we're using x1. 4 over 2 minus 4 squared. Then it will be 3 over 2, then 2 minus 4, which is squared. Then it will be now 3 over 2, then negative 2 squared, which we are going to get a 3 over 2 times 4. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. Then our dy dx therefore will be a 6, because 3 times 2 is 6. So where there's dy dx here, we're going to put a 6. Then now where there's dy dx, we're putting a 6. Approximate change in y over, how do we find the approximate change in x? So we're going to say approximate change in x is equals to x2 minus x1. Our x2 is 4.02 minus 4. What are we getting? 0.02. So we come and put 0.02, then we cross multiply. When we punch on our calculator, we're going to get 0.12 as the approximated change in y. Come to question number C, evaluate that one. So every time you integrate sign, if you integrate sign will change to negative cos x, so y will be equals to negative cos x, because sign, when we integrate it, it will change to negative cos x. And then now we are going to expand. We have pi, then 0. Then we know that it will be, we start with negative cos x pi minus negative cos x, then 0. So it will be negative cos pi minus negative cos 0. When we punch, we're going to get negative 1 minus, even this side, we're getting negative 1. When we do our mathematics, it will be a 2. Our last question will be this one. The diagram below shows part of this y intersecting the curve at this. Find the coordinates of A. So when they're intersecting, it will be equals to. So we need to find coordinates of A. So like terms together, so it will be 2x plus x, then minus x squared minus x squared, which is equals to 0. Then from here now, we're going to say 3x minus 2x squared is equals to 0. We factorize, it will be x3 minus 2x is equals to 0. Then x is equals to 0, or x is equals to 3 over 2. This is what we're getting. So now how do we find the coordinates of A? When our x is 3 over 2, what is the value of y? So you can pick any of the equation to find the value of y. You can pick any of the equation to find the value of y. I'm going to go with this one, which is y is equals to x squared minus x y is equals to, our x is 3 over 2 squared minus 3 over 2. Then y is equals to 9 over 4 minus 3 over 2. We do common denominator is 4. It will give us a 9, then minus 6, which is 3 over 4. So our y is 3 over 4. Whether you pick the other one, it will give you the same answer. We find now the area. So when finding the area, we are getting these two x. So the first x is A, the second x is B. So our B is 3 over 2, then our A is 0. Then now we are going to integrate this. It will be, when we integrate, it will be y is equals to 3x squared over 2 minus 2x cubed over 3. Then we expand them. Where there's x, we put 3 over 2. Then where there's x, we put 0. When we punch on our calculator, we're getting 9 over 8 centimeters squared. Because this side is 0, so we can punch this on our calculator, we're getting this. Thank you for watching. Shalom, shalom. I have a question for you for GCE. You can pause, write the question, and solve this exercise, and write the answers in the comment section.